Evening, March the 30th, 2026. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm in the shop, playing around a little bit. I'm working on a Caterpillar C12 425 horsepower. It doesn't matter. What we got is a cooling system issue. We actually had a cooling filter. Well, it came into the shop because it sprung a leak. Not the filter, but up by the engine. I can show you. We had some fun. We had to get EPDM hose. And this here ran by the, I had to move the alternator, tilt it over, out of the way. You see the brand new hose down there, right? The hose clamps and that orange. See the orange hose? Well, that's a heat protected shield. Because look, right there's the exhaust. So I still got to bolt it, clamp it down, but it goes inside the coach. I'll put you on pause. So there's the old hose. Oh, it's dark in here. I didn't turn the coach power on. So there's the old hose. Made in the USA. Look at the date on that. June the 16th, 2000. There you go. It's 26. This is a 2001 Beaver Patriot Thunder. So right down there is the brand new hose I put in. See the orange sleeve? There's two of them, but there's a top one. So the other end, here, hold on. I'm going to bring you around to it. I brought it up here. There's the whole hose. We got to route that. There's the old one. It goes down there through, and then I'm going to put you on pause. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take you under there, but I'll show you some other stuff. The filter we took off, it's a Baldwin B5134. All right, if you could see it, look at there's sand in there. There's, looks like metal. Pretty bad. Oh, pretty bad. Somebody might have put some stop leak in it, but that's bad. Look at the, look, you know, you can see the dirt down it. Look, there's like flakes there or something. I don't know. Pretty bad off. This is the worst one I've done in a long time. So that is that. Now we're going to go underneath. All right, so that is the filter housing. You see the spigot valves? You got to turn them off or you're going to get a face full of coolant. So the hose you saw up there that broke or leaked all over goes to that fitting. And then there's one on top, another valve. That fitting goes to another part. So right now we're gonna clean everything up, put a new filter in, and change that hose out right there. Right there. That goes to there. All right. So I don't know if that's the original one, but it's in pretty bad shape. So what am I trying to get to? Please do your preventive maintenance. And have your cooling system checked. I send my stuff to Blackstone. I send my transmission oil, engine oil, and coolant. And they'll tell you where it's at. All that good stuff about it, all the mineral rate, all that. This here would have probably came back really bad, but he's had it at another place that they flushed it, I think. But they didn't see that it, or even check to see if it had a coolant filter. Come on, folks. If you don't have one on your diesel pusher, I'd put one. All right. We put a lot of money into these things. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I showed you some nasty stuff, and we're going to slowly fix this beaver up and get her out of here. Remember, the motto is test, not guess. All right. Bye-bye. All right. So once again, take care. Safe travels and may your campfire burn bright. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.